quick conceptual discussion, let's talk about what a virtual machine is for any of those that haven't really dealt with them. Traditionally, every substation function is handled by a dedicated device, right? We talked about, there's RTUs, protected relays, meters, fault recorders, whatever they may be. And virtualization just abstracts the software function of those devices and puts them onto a server. The server would have a bare metal hypervisor running. That's the, in lieu of an operating system, that is the operating system. On top of the hypervisor, you create virtual machines. And they're just digital representations of those physical devices. And the number of virtual machines you can run on a server depends on the hardware specs of that server. How many CPU cores, how much storage, how much memory. So let's talk a little bit about some deployment architecture. Multiple ways to deploy virtual machines. Single server deployment would just have the hypervisor running some number of virtual machines. A more complex system would have a management system for multiple servers running in a cluster. The advantage of that, of having more servers, would be a higher level of redundancy and failover, high availability. Think of a primary system and a disaster recovery system as an example, or you take a server down for maintenance. You don't need to take down your protection schemes or your RTU or your HMI. All of this is much more likely scenario to run a multi-server deployment in a substation.